Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Today I'm going to take a look at this folding pocket knife I got from HK Outdoors off of Amazon. Got it for like half price through a link from 704 Gear that he had on his channel about a week or so ago. You guys need to subscribe to him if you want to get some great deals on some knives. For subscribers only to his channel, he negotiates some great deals, usually for at least 50% off. A lot of times on knives from knife companies, and this was one of them. I got it for like under $18, and it was like a $34 knife. It comes in these cool little plastic cases. I don't think it has a name, but I think that's the model number there. Got some foam padding inside. Must be their motto. Every man deserves an exceptional knife. Came in a Ziploc bag. Got some pretty aggressive texturing in there on the handle. Nice recessed button lock there. Like the way they did that. Got some jimping or on the sides of the handle. Back spacer with some jimping on it. A flipper tab. Plus this slot. Deep carry pocket clip. Fully recessed screws and clip. I bet this would be a pocket tear upper because of this aggressive texturing here right under the pocket clip here. The pocket clip's not super stiff, but it's plenty stiff, and I'm sure that's going to be hard on the pocket the way that looks and the way it feels. Great action. Nice blade shape. D2 steel. The pocket clip is reversible. Lanyard slot. Centering on it looks good. No blade play at all, up and down or side to side. I can't reverse flick it, the detent's too strong. You can't thumb flip it because of the detent. Flipper tab works fine. Oh man, can't reverse flick it and can't thumb flick it. At least I can't. Very aggressive. I like the size of this knife. It's kind of a medium, larger medium size maybe. Got a nice choil there for the finger, a nice sharpening choil. You can almost use it as a fingered choil if you're careful. You don't have too big of fingers, but I'd be careful. Feels good in the hand. It's nice and grippy, locks right into your hands. I like the way it feels. Got no hot spots. Reverse grip is fine. See how sharp it came out of the box. Test it on some foam book paper here. Pretty sharp. Got a nice edge on it. Can't go wrong for 17 bucks. I think it's worth 34 bucks too. I like it. I'm going to be checking out some more of their knives, so thanks for watching.